Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings once again, the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. And all things that's good. You see, Rastafari the first. See? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way grow the channel. You don't know. You see? Well, as you notice, this is me there, I smile. I have a comedy here for sure. Now, it's not a comedy still, a serious thing, to be fair. It shouldn't be. It's not a laughing matter. You see? It shouldn't be portrayed that way even by I and I, you see. But we have a video for sure and I want to watch it and don't watch it with reason and things like that on the whole thing, you see it. Cause really and truly a police and gunman issue, you see it. And first and foremost, I have to say hats off to the excellent restraint to the policeman them show and professionalism, humanitarianism and relatability. You see, the policeman them, come of age. As young as some of them look, like them hardly older than any of the youth them. Enough big up to the eye them. Officer, enough salute, sir. Seen? Yeah. Extraordinary professionalism in the face of abject, truancy, put it lightly. You see, anyway, watch the video and make a reason. Seeing more bless Rastafari.
What up your face? What up your face? Yeah, tell her what up your face. What up your head? We get a good price. Turn around. Wait, don't look. Yeah, man. Shop. What up your head?
No, man. Just put it in the air.
Okay.
On this side. That's how we put one. That's him. That's him name.
Christopher Anthony Campbell.
No, man. It's Campbell. Him a Campbell.
Go. Perfect.
Him a Campbell. It's a right Campbell. So you start with right Campbell. Christopher Anthony Campbell. Right Campbell.
Which one you say a Campbell?
Yeah. So you might want to pick him out. Let me tell you one. Smith and Wesson, Springfield.
Where do you come from?
You can see foot though.
Seafood, where do you come from?
Springfield.
Where do you come from?
Model SW9V.
Smith and Wesson, no?
Springfield. Model? No, model SW9V. I look for the serial number.
Sir.
Oh, see serial number.
What do you want?
SW.
Serial number.
Yeah, I'm show you. SW9V. So, serial number PAN 0920.
PAN 0
920. And the color, what do you call this? Brown?
Cream.
or beige?
Tan. Tan is better.
Oh, this is a bit
Hold on,
beige.
Let me get filter.
that bit tan.
Tan and silver. Or what do you call this? Silver.
Chrome.
Chrome. Tan and chrome. And put silver in a bracket. Yeah, it's ready. Tom.
CHROM as well.
Knock off all of them together.
Hey, give me a rope back squad.
Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Ease up.
Done with this. Let me tell you much wrong. Let me tell you much wrong today with it. Let me tell you much wrong.
You want blue?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Turn your
Give me my back pocket, because you're not funny. You're not my back pocket up here. No, man, the other one. Oh, side pocket, side pocket. 7-9 rounds.
Through which one today?
With this Christopher man. Yeah.
7.
One magazine.
No, take a picture of this here.
One magazine containing. One magazine containing 7,
We have
9 rounds.
Call back spec. You better try
Come on,
call
scratch him, scratch. You can't really search him again. You search him already, but you can't search him again. You can't search him again.
I'm not joking.
Search me already, I'm telling you.
This is one boy and I'm not joking. Turn it straight up.
So look at the camera. Alright. See the one that they make now, Mr. Deed?
My phone that's to the one.
Which one? This?
Yeah, man.
So what rounds are going there?
No, that's a different one. Alright now. What the Miguel want? What your name you now, Miguel?
CJ Millwood.
Alright. Millwood now.
I don't back on your face.
What is it?
I don't back on your face. Yeah, you can't move that.
Ready?
CJ.
Yeah. You're bright, no, brother. Read a serial number here for me. It's a picture Barretta. CJ Millwood.
Right one?
Picture.
Yeah, sure.
CJ, hold on. Let me just read something for this. It's a picture Barretta. Let me just see it a while ago now. Yeah, see it.
God, this should look like the
Alright.
Taurus.
Alright. Just put P Barretta. We can research it. Because we always see P Barretta. And it's look like garden. Something like that. But when you go down, you can pull it up. Lab will pull it up. The serial number, the right here, sir. You see the serial number, the right hand. See it, look here, sir. You can see it right here, sir. If you take a picture, you're supposed to can zoom it up. Black. The color are black. Alright, count this in, let me make sure. Come on, we get 40, say for 40.
2, 4, 5,
One magazine containing 14,
10, 11,
live 9
13,
minutes.
14. I want that girl.
15, Mr. D. 15.
One of them.
Yeah, man, I'll give you this boss. To the station, so when you call sometime, you just need for this cooperate. That's all.
Which one them
See,
phone?
boy, my belly start turning from my belly, I turn me no sitting around. If I leave me alone still, you know. Difference. Yeah, but you know.
Where next one?
Him have it. So, this a film phone. This a Full phone here. Full phone.
Yeah.
Yes. With the battery.
The man is lovely.
Yeah, man, I'll give you. I never search him back then, yeah? Him back over the side. One of them run still, in.
One of them run?
Yeah. They will tell you how. Hey, what's your friend name? Campbell.
No.
Who?
No.
Your friend name or what?
Oh man.
When come from?
Same black
I
suit.
didn't come from. I don't really my friend then.
They know you're
I
my boy.
just get
The man him up to some shit idea.
You want to know for some fuck. I want to know.
Yeah, near to Newland.
You don't know where you live? Where you live?
Address.
Swam, sir.
Eh?
Swam, sir.
That's an address.
Swam?
Yes.
Soon let you show.
Which part of Swam? Which part up there?
You know what I did, sir?
Yeah, man. You didn't crowd up there.
Sir?
You didn't crowd up there.
Spider.
Spider.
You put on him dress.
Oh,
Remember him dress?
a union, sir.
Which one?
Right, all the way,
Spider?
Yeah.
Right, yellow?
Yeah.
You don't want it?
Sir, and I yellow some come from, you know, sir.
Where you come from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Jenkins. Which one of them named Jenkins again?
Yes, sir. Andre
Our
Jenkins. Stay.
jeans.
Blue
Yeah,
shirt.
the last name, sir.
blue long sleeve t-shirt and blue short blue jeans pants.
Him one come from him. One come from him.
No, them two here.
Then two there.
And him have one red slippers. Red slippers, you hear me, Sadi? And Milo have one.
You have one.
Them annex.
Can't remove
Drop
it
him
then.
there.
Just come on to remain with them.
Who got the commander?
So we.
Oh.
Maybe I want to this way.
Yeah, man.
How about the situation?
I got me there on.
Oh, wait. No, somebody else not. But then whoever. No, see that now.
Yeah, on
Oi,
Hey, jump in there.
turn on back, man.
Fuck there.
Just like my own man, you know.
Oi, stop talking, man.
No, I hear nothing from you.
Stop the
Brother, we don't
talking.
want to hear nothing from you.
Yeah. No, it's before we even go into anything else, me want to hope say everybody observe the fact say the man, them gunman are up on the camera. I tell police things or police they even ask them. You see it? The man them up on camera, police ask him who the other man will run. You see it? And the man them tell the police without a threat. To anything whatsoever. You get what I say? Just one random question. And that's something we observe with them gunmen nowadays. You see, soon as police say you're a person of interest, the man just go turn in themselves. You see, I don't know how them get away with it. Seeing kill one another so randomly and oftenly and police say a person of interest and just turn in themselves and very soon they see them on the road again and them good. You see, the good thing about all of that, the police them get 2 or 3 going off of the road. They look like about 2 still. You see it, we give thanks. Seeing next thing again, 3 young little juvenile have them life for start again. You see it after all this is said and done. Because very soon them gonna get bail. Next thing them all get bail. Next thing them go gonna get a little light sentence and come back a road again. You see it. So hopefully experience teach them some wisdom and them come back a road with some more productive intention and things like that and personal development and growth. You see it. Them young still. You see it. I will give thanks to them alive. Seen? But remember this and bear this, being. You don't know how lucky you is. You see it. You don't know how lucky you is. Seeing, I can say, even right now, interact with the right policeman, them way there, and a 3 dead body that lie down, this one no questions now ask. See it, whereas the area looks secluded, like nobody not really come by, that's why nobody they even to their own in them place there. I be a gunshot people that here, and when them come around them see 3 you lie down and you say, I chase police, chase them and shootout ensued. See it. And bodies were found in the bushes. Seeing? So it looked like even the news narrative changed these days. Because when I grew up, I remember the news as soon when a gunman dead. All he used to hear is the police was driving along such and such a road, came across 3 suspicious looking men who, when the police stopped to accosted them, they pull a firearm from the waistband and open fire and ran. The police returned the fire. You see it. A search was carried out later on in the bushes and such was found suffering from gunshot wound. He was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. You see it. Upon searching the bushes, a .388 revolver was found and, 2 rounds of ammunition or something like that. See it. And nobody questioned that. No authority, no nothing. See it. And that's the nature of things. See it. So when you buck up on them policemen, they will already have a national statement. A historically national statement already prepared read over uno and still get where like that. You know, see it. You know, we have come a far way as a people. You know, see it. And a time for the youth, them now, you know, evolve as well. You know, see it with them imagination because, again, there is space to breathe. You know, see it. When you have humanity extend to you like that, in a depravity like this, where you find, say, gunman I kill how much people in how many days in a Jamaica. You know, see, and on a day like this, you know, the police can't have 3 hours lie down like that. You know, see it. It's probably a good thing because see, they want to tell them we spot everybody else there and where everybody else come from. We not give them all information when nobody know ask, you know. And a gunman and a singing a song at all about brrr, and all them things there. You know, see it. You see it, no. No class, not that to no game. You know, see it. Right now, just a whole heap of gun and everybody have a gun and any man have a gun and life is cheap. There's no principle. You know, see it. No, not all whatsoever. It's like really and truly I just be a gun there Jamaica. And a gun there, and a gunman there Jamaica, again, you know, a man gun. It's like the gun them own a man. Like a gun just call a man and say, come, we want to go up on the road. Just need 2 foot. Hold me and come. Gun just go bad up a man and say, come with me. A gun just go wake up a man out of bed. There's not a man going to dig up a gun again, you know, Rasta. You see it. A man gun them a Rasta. You see it. And the gun own them. Them not really, you know, see it. Yeah. So, we're glad how the police deal with it. See? Because life over death every time, you know, we know, say, you know, anybody can turn around. And we still no whole lot to blame the youth them because we live in a state of poverty with no hope inside. I know intent. No one with the intention of providing certain level of hopes. You know, see it. You know, see it. Can you say all them youth there, really and truly, them youth there ever think about what they do? Them nah know. Nothing they behind it, them don't know nothing about criminality. First thing they want to do is scream, you know? First thing, alright, look on it. Slippers. Slippers they are going to say, you know, Rasta, barefoot man them there, you know. What kind of man, where you walk with gun and eat and slippers? Oh, you go run, where you go run, go. Soon as you run go the constable fly off your footman buckle and splinter trick in your footman blood trail, follow gone, police pick up blood, get DNA, know who, and all them thing the Rasta. The man them now plan for escape. Then again, you know, even if you don't escape, the police just send come say person of interest and want to turn in on yourself. They don't see it. And I eat that. You don't see it. Anyway, them 3 youth that come from out of St. Thomas, somewhere out there, one of them say them come from Seafood Town, one of them come from Yalas. You know, see, and as you can see, the police them have them. See, so we still hope for all the best. You know, see, give thanks, share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.